plotted in these arcs composed accordingly to the measure of indicators from the Dutch guilder giving way to the French livre, before giving way to the British sterling, which gave way to the US dollar. Advantages and disadvantages in the indicators included in Dalio's analysis imply that the US dollar, having the global reserve currency for approximately 80 years off of the gold standard, appears positioned to give way to China and their yen currency. However, part of the equation, factoring into the prevailing global reserve, is the soundness of hard money. Gold had held this lead the longest, and currencies have attempted to displace it, centralizing the control of gold, which has disrupted and corrupted that market value. Historic and logical evidence of how infringing on the gold market caused it to lose value as the standard, which the falling value of every currency on earth, backed by gold or otherwise, can be detangled into the characteristics essential for an instrument to meet the standard of freely becoming the global reserve. The Bitcoin Standard by Saifedean Ammous explains how free markets seek a common trading medium which the market chooses based on salability, making the most sellable asset that which can be most easily liquidated according to characteristics of transportability, divisibility, and store value, becoming the standard reserve, or the most held medium of trade among global economic participants. Hard money is determined by the difficulty to reproduce it, with the stock-to-flow ratio as a reliable measure of hardness, representing a ratio of supply and future production. With the higher the ratio, the more capable it is as a store of value over time. Government fiat money, backed by decree, authority, or a promise, attempts to deprive the free market from choosing, though as the most sound money is sought, the debasement of fiat through centralization, as it becomes more debt-backed, begins to lose value in reproduction, leading to inflation, meanwhile debasing the price of goods and services